Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. For today's DIY project, I am making a top that is being requested by one of my old friend Tasso Nampi. Thank you Nampi for requesting me to make this top. Design थोड़ा difficult तो लग रहा है, but I'll try my best to copy the design. And by the way, quality and the color will not match क्योंकि मेरे पास same color का fabric नहीं है. It's lockdown and we are all home quarantine, so मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट होगा टू फाइंड द सेम मैचिंग थ्रेड. बाय द वे जितना भी मेरे पास सामान है I'll work with that. ट्राई करता है. I will try my best. This is what she requested me to make. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon. Also share if you really like watching my videos. And let's get started.
तो सबसे पहले तो आप एक मेंस शर्ट ले लें and start off by unsewing its sleeve, collar and all other body parts. As you can see मेरे पास एक पर्पल कलर का शर्ट नहीं है. I'm using men's shirt. Actually it's my boyfriend's shirt, so he doesn't wear it anymore, so I'm transforming his shirt into that top. After all the parts of the shirt is being cut out, I'm going to use one of the panel as a lining and the other one as a main fabric. So the first panel I'm using it as a lining, and this is how I'm going to prepare the lining fabric. And this is for the main fabric. I'm trying to remove as less fabric as possible क्योंकि design के मुताबिक we have to make some gathering later on and we'll need little more fabric than compared to the lining. For the lining fabric, we'll have to make some darts, and if you don't know how to make darts, I have a really simple video explaining how you can make them. Please check in the description box below. After you have made the darts, it should look something like this. साथ ही साथ आप अपने arm hole को भी mark कर लें. Then remove the extra fabric. Now using the other panel, we are going to make some gathering and pin it on the lining fabric. I'm really sorry guys, मेरा सर आ गया वीडियो में. This whole time I was making gathering पूरे वीडियो में है, and I don't even have other footage to show you guys than this. Once you're done pinning, stitch it down. Let's move on to the waist. At this point I was running out of the fabric and I'm trying not to waste any fabric, so I'm using fabric from the sleeve for the waist. Now it's time to sew the waist to the bust, and this is how we're going to sew it down. After done stitching, flip it inside out. And there we have the front piece of the top, and also remove any extra fabric. Now let's make the back piece. For the back side, we will need sheared fabric with elastic for that I have a very nice tutorial video. I have explained there how we can shear our clothes. You may check the description box for the video. Now close stitch both the sides of the top facing the right sides together. And finally we are going to make the sleeves. Make a thin strap of fabric so that we can sew it on the sleeve, on the shoulder part, so that we may pass the elastic through it. It should look something like this once you put the elastic band. Secure the elastic with a straight stitch on both the ends. Also do some shirring stitch on the middle part of the sleeve and on the bottom end of the sleeve, and we are almost done with the top here. Finally, we are done with all the parts of the top. It's time to sew the sleeve to the bodies, and we are finished with the project. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.